Hi guys, welcome back to channel. So today we are at the India Bike Week 2024 and let's check out these beautifully modified bikes.
It takes a lot of heart, soul, energy, time, and we need you to show as much love as possible to these amazing folks that are coming and showcasing them right over here. Sorry, the jury will get a lot of time with you all when the judging takes place as well. And we'll make a little space on this stage because boy, do I have some amazing custom bikes that are going to keep making their way right over here. Okay, my audience, what did y'all think of SNS Custom Wheels? Making her way, looking so vintage, can make out with those lights right over there. Oh my God, what a beauty. She's looking amazing, my friend. Yeah, you can stay on the bike and we'll have a chat. It makes a good pic, man. Yes, he's like, yeah, it makes a good pic. Here you go. So tell us, why did we go vintage with this one?
Basically, I wanted a cafe hopping bike for the first few years. So just we waited for a cafe hopping for.
I know that the judges are definitely going to take a closer look at this one. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, if you are approving of this vintage baby. My God, if you could just come up close and personal and take a look at all of this that has been printed right over here. Tell us the story about that.
It's based on Hawk theme. The Harley Davidson Hawk theme. So totally good.
It's based on the entire Hog theme that we have. So folks, let's welcome our next modified, bringing it right here onto this stage, Raha Motorcycle. Hi, Bajirao Peshwa. Actually got it, right? So ये हमारे बाजीराव पेशवा से इंस्पिरेशन लिया है.
This particular motorcycle is totally dedicated to Maratha warriors.
If you can check out Khamber motorcycle, you will find all the mining details which we have specially laminated in brass. If you can check out the chassis, you will find the bottle logo. On rear fender, you will find sword and shield. Particular body work, you will find this metal artwork, grading and rod work, which is inspired from the shields, armors, which were made for the warriors. This particular paint job is purposefully done in the rustic feel to maintain its actual feel, wiliness and bravery. Thank you so much.
Awesome!
She's an absolute beauty. But I have one last question to quickly ask you and then I'm going to go on to my next. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? This is the Raj Mudra. Raj Mudra.
राज मुद्रा
तुमको बता दो कि Raj Mudra क्या होता है?
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने ये एक स्टैम्प यूज किया था. वो टाइम पे कुछ बिजनेस होता था जिसको कुछ सामान देनी है, जो पेपर वर्क पे देनी है, तो ये स्टैम्प यूज किया था. उनके लिए जो एल्डर राजे थे, उनके लिए वो स्टैम्प यूज नहीं होता था. और वहाँ पे आप जो देख रहे हो जिसके ऊपर छत्रपति लिखा हुआ है, वो उन्होंने जो करेंसी डेवलप की थी फर्स्ट, विच इज नोन एज सिल्वर गोल्ड, मतलब गोल्ड कॉइन. तो वहाँ पे
Impressive! What do you think? What do you think? Gee, thank you so much. And wow, so much of detailing that has gone of our Marathas.
That this bike will help you get beyond your limits, beyond yes and no, beyond opposites. So that is the main concept of the bike. It has a very spiritual kind of significance.
The answers to life just lie in this bike.
Yeah.
Just need to ride her on a long ride and then meditate a little bit and all the answers will come to you.
Exactly.
All right, thank you. And the judges, of course, will take a closer look at this. In fact, I love the detailing that is going on over here as well.
There are a lot of details on the, like these are some custom lit-made parts which we have also engraved. As you see on the handprints. Handprints are handmade, lit-made. In the, we have focus lit-made. The hub assembly also we have. We have used the Mercedes glass rear rim in the bike, and the internal assembly was all handmade.
She looks amazing, she looks original, and I'm sure she took a very long time to put together. Our judges, of course, will come and meet you and ask you the rest that they need to know about this mod bike. And folks, revving its way, making its way onto this stage. Look at those. Damn, audience, so much silence because you're just silent. What's up? What do you think of this voice? Hi. If I could compose a song, I would do it right now, but I don't know how to sing. But I'm sure that he's got a lot that he can tell us about these bikes. These are looking amazing.
Yeah, so the left one is a software deluxe originally, and this one was a street glide. We did a lot of mechanical customizations, like that has a new wheel in the front, there are 8 bars, we added the saddlebags to give it a touring look, and then we changed the exhaust and stuff. In this bike, as you can see, we have put a 21-inch alloy in the front, and we have changed the handlebars to not one exhaust, air suspension, and a bracket kit at the end.
Yeah.
So it goes all the way down in the slope that you see. In terms of theme, if I tell you, both the bikes are completing the story of Ramayana, the epic Indian Ramayana. So we have made a fusion of a US bike into completely Indian theme. Both the bikes are on the name of birds, which have a significant part in Ramayana. So that one is called Jatayu, and the second one is called Sampati. So coming to the front, so it shows the childhood of Lord Ram, then the marriage part. Then on the saddlebags you can see the exile part. Then at that side it's the part where Sita was kidnapped, the Lakshman Rekha stuff. And on the top, Jatayu is fighting with Raman in the air and got killed in the way. So the part one of the story ends on this bike. Then it picks up on this bike. You can see the same Pushpak Viman at the front landing in the Lanka. One more thing that I like to add, everything that you see is hand painted.
Wow.
And all the yellow part that you're seeing is actual real gold.
How long did it take for both of these to get customized and
If I tell
detailed?
you, you won't believe.
I have to believe it.
So we did ride with the stock bike 8th and 9th November. There was a fog rally. After that, we did this both the bikes, mechanical plus paint work in 14 days.
14 days.
Amazing.
Yeah.
24 hours non-stop, right?
This is all hand painted with clear coat on top. Everything that you see in yellow is actual gold. Gold. So here you can see the Lanka, which is gold. Then you can see the Milan of Ramji, the jungle part, Sampati telling the story. At the end you can see the war, you can see Kumbhakarna. And lastly we are showing how Ramji came back to Ayodhya. So we have shown the Ayodhya in the night with lamps. And it shows the Vibhishan getting back the Lanka throne. It shows Ramji getting back the throne of Ayodhya. So we tried to take all the important chapters of Ramayana, because Ramayana is a very big theme in itself. So we just try to do justice with this story.
Can you tell